Process optimization is just one of the many AI applications we have at C3, and it's part of our reliability application suite. It's part of the suite because our customers tend to deploy them together, and they rely on similar data model, a machine learning framework, and UI. The suite includes C3 Reliability, which is our predictive maintenance application, and energy management, which helps our customers reduce energy costs. So when deployed together, they leverage each other and accelerate value capture. C3 AI and Google Cloud have partnered since 2021, collaborating across industries, including sugar manufacturing, which we'll talk about later, to provide customers with powerful data and analytics and future-proof infrastructure, along with C3 AI's pre-built high-value applications.
We aim to tackle planetary scale problems that require radical solutions and that we believe are possible with a new breakthrough technology. So our partnership with C3 AI is focused on the North Star of accelerating digital transformation for our customers in the AI era.
After deploying C3 AI process optimization, we showed an improvement of over 2% in the yield. And annually, this amounts to about $4 million. And again, from start to finish, this pilot was done in weeks. And just repeating that process again across the other facilities for this customer, we anticipate a $10 million benefit. So you see the speed to value and the value that we're able to capture.